Hi, I'm Jay. And this is, check out my brand new Sesame Street Big Bird t-shirt, my view. This is Jane. I got it from eBay. This is a big bird. This is a big yellow birds. This is a big bird. This is Sesame Street. I bought it in the mail from last time, the other day. This is a yellow shirt. And make it soft. This is pretty. This is Sesame Street character from Big Bird. This is Sesame Street character Big Bird. It says to be Big Bird. It isn't so soft. It is pretty. That could be phenomenal along with. I love this shirt. One of my favorites. So I do recommend give 5 4-star. This is the Sesame Street Big Bird. My view. Teacher, my view. Thank you. Thumbs up.